Offered here is a beautiful 1963 Mercedes 190SL, finished in code-correct DB40G Schwarz black with a complementing red textured vinyl interior. Already repainted several years ago, the paint has held up incredibly well and looks just as good in person as it does in the photos. The matching black hardtop and convertible top also remain in wonderful shape. The car received a resealed rear differential bushings and axle boots, new front kingpin bushings and tie rod ends, control arm bushings, wheel bearings and seals, idler bushing, freshly rebuilt both carburetors entirely, new brake and reverse light switches, heater control cables and valve seals, new shifter bushings and clutch bushing, along with engine fluid changes with proper filters. We also replaced the battery, spark plugs, radiator mounts, and wiper blades. Features include VDO instrumentation, Kienzl dash clock, Becker Europa high-fidelity AM radio, heat defrost, both soft top and auxiliary hardtop options, bumper guards, dual outside rear-view mirrors, reverse lights, and correct Mercedes locking gas cap. Powered by its original late production 121.928 inline 4-cylinder engine, fitted with more reliable Mikuni carburetors and shifted through the 4-speed manual transmission. For the driver-minded collector, please do not hesitate to contact us to secure this wonderful car.